As with any business venture, becoming a successful landlord and getting rich can be achievable with hard work, dedication, and knowledge. Being a landlord involves understanding the laws and regulations that come with renting out a property and knowing how to manage tenants and maintain your properties. However, several key factors will help you become a successful landlord and build wealth through your rental properties. In this video, we will discuss the key benefits and factors that come into play when you become a landlord. To get right to it, here they are. The first factor, a clear plan and strategy is essential. Before you purchase any rental property, you need to understand your goals and develop an actionable plan to achieve them. Do you want to build long-term wealth or make a quick bag? How much are you willing to invest in each property? And how often do you plan on purchasing new ones? Knowing the answers to these questions will help you develop a successful plan for your business. Second, you'll need to properly assess the rental market and determine which area of real estate is most profitable. You should research the average rental prices in your chosen area and consider any potential improvements or changes that can help increase your profits. Once you've established an ideal price range for rent, you must ensure that your properties can cover the costs of owning and managing them. Third, you must develop strong tenant relationships and provide excellent service for your renters. As a landlord, getting to know your tenants, building trust, and creating a positive environment for everyone involved is essential. This includes responding quickly to maintenance requests, addressing any complaints, and being available to answer questions. Finally, you'll need to know how to manage your finances effectively to maximize profits from your rental properties. This includes understanding how taxes work for landlords, creating a budget for each property, and tracking all of your expenses. With the proper financial management strategies, you can ensure that your rental business is profitable and build long-term wealth. Now that you know the critical factors for becoming a successful landlord and getting rich, it's time to understand the advantages. Number 1. Passive income. You can generate a lot of wealth by renting out your property and benefiting from the compounded effects of your passive income. You can earn passive income monthly through a rental real estate business without putting in any active effort to run the company. Your money can work for you stamina-free if it is appropriately invested. The longer you give it time to grow, the more profits it will bring you. Thanks to your investment in a rental business, your money will continue to work for you even when you're not actively working. People already wealthy know that passive income from their assets is critical to even more wealth. With this continuous stream of money, they'll never have to worry about running out of funds. For example, let's say you have a typical 9-to-5 job. Can you physically or mentally work more than 75 hours in 1 week? The wealthy establish assets that can give them passive income, so their wealth works for them instead of against them. After they have gathered enough assets to generate a sufficient amount of passive income, they can retire financially. If your answer is yes, how much extra money can you bring in by doing that? Number 2, property value appreciation. With market fluctuations, the value of real estate may go up or down. Still, it generally tends to increase over time. Rental properties can appreciate over time, which will help you make an even bigger profit when it comes time to sell. Appreciating your property is also a great way to protect your investments against inflation and economic downturns. By investing in rental real estate, you'll benefit from both an immediate and a long-term return on investment. Not only will this help to protect your wealth against inflation, but it can also provide you with an extra income stream when the property is sold. This can help you build wealth more quickly than other investments. Number 3, tax benefits. The tax benefits of investing in rental real estate are a bonus. Depending on your property and location, you could be eligible for deductions such as mortgage interest, repairs, insurance premiums, etc. These deductions can help offset any rental property income and reduce your overall tax burden. Plus, any profits you make from selling rental property are generally taxed lower than regular income, providing even more savings. When it comes time to file your taxes, consult an experienced tax professional to ensure you're taking full advantage of all the available deductions and exemptions. Number 4, cash flow. The rental properties aren't just some assets. The passive cash flow they generate can be used to maintain a luxurious lifestyle. It doesn't matter how much money you already have or what one of your current rentals is bringing in today. By owning these properties, you have the potential to amass great wealth. If you manage your money correctly, you will become a millionaire. There's no other way around it. You can create a portfolio of revenue-generating rental properties with hardly any starting investment from yourself. With some research and experience, you can even use strategies to acquire property without spending any initial money down. You may not think you have the money for it, but being a landlord could be more attainable than you think, and it comes with some profound benefits. For starters, you can build a property portfolio that brings in regular income without having to sink tons of money into the endeavor upfront. And although $200 might not sound like much, it quickly adds up. If your monthly cash flow is only $200, that's an annual income of $2,600. This path will eventually lead you to purchase more properties that create a passive cash flow. If you continue down this route, in a few years, you will own multiple properties that generate income. On that day, your pockets will be lined, and there is even the chance you could become a millionaire. Number 5, building equity. Building equity is increasing the value of your real estate investments. This can be done through renovations, paying debt, or just waiting for the property's value to increase over time. The longer you own a rental property, the greater its equity will become. Equity is essential in any investment strategy as it cushions against market fluctuations. With equity, you can borrow additional funds on your investment to finance other projects or investments. Additionally, the more equity you build in your rental properties, the faster they'll appreciate, which means even more enormous profits when it comes time to sell. For example, if you bought a property for $200,000 and it appreciates 10% in 1 year, that's an extra $20,000 in your pocket. Furthermore, suppose you pay down the mortgage over time. In that case, you could also increase the equity in the property, allowing you to make even more money when it comes time to sell. Number 6, snowball effect. If you invest wisely in rental property, your wealth has the potential to grow exponentially. You could become a wealthy landlord if you take advantage of this opportunity in just a few years. However, it is vital that you first understand how it works before trying to use it to increase your wealth. It's like making a snowball, starting with a small piece of ice. As it grows and gains more momentum, it continues getting larger all on its own. The rental sector operates according to the same fundamental principles when it comes to generation of revenue. At the start, there is just one rental unit available to you. When your business starts to pick up speed, you should expand your revenues to support your company's exponential growth. As you keep purchasing more and more residences, your real estate portfolio will start to grow. For example, you invest $200,000 in a rental property and you collect $2,000 per month. After 1 year of having that single unit, your total cash flow is $24,000. But if you buy another property with the same monthly rental income, your total revenue doubles to $48,000. If you keep doing the same, your wealth will keep increasing until you reach a point where you can become financially independent. With the snowball effect of real estate investments, you can quickly achieve financial freedom and true wealth. All it takes is a good plan and consistency in implementing that strategy. With consistent effort and smart decisions, you'll be on your way to building a financially sound future. There are many reasons to think about investing in rental real estate. It can help you become wealthier, offer tax advantages, give you extra monthly money, and even grow your equity over time. With proper financial planning, you could do very well as a landlord and enjoy years of financial stability. Suppose you want an investment that will pay off now and later on? In that case, rental real estate is something to look into further. So can you get rich being a landlord? The answer is yes. It is possible to become rich by being a landlord. Many landlords have built wealth by accumulating rental properties over time, either buying existing rental units or constructing new ones. Of course, like any investment, you need to be smart about managing your real estate investments and approach the business of being a landlord. As smart landlords will make sure to do their due diligence before purchasing a property and make smart financial decisions when it comes time to sell. With the right strategy and a long-term vision for success, investing in rental properties can be a great way to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Thank you for watching. I hope you have learned something from this video. If you like this video, give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below. Thank you and goodbye!